Of course, your husband has a lot of drawbacks. If he had none, he would never marry you. Don't be afraid of enemies who attack you. Be afraid of the friends who flatter you. The load of tomorrow, added to that of yesterday, carried today, makes the strongest falter. Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no hope at all. Keep busy. It's the cheapest kind of medicine there is on this earth, and one of the best. Remember, today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. Our thoughts make us what we are. Knowledge isn't power until it is applied. One reason why birds and horses are not unhappy is because they are not trying to impress other birds and horses. Personally, I am very fond of strawberries and cream, but I have found that for some strange reason, fish prefer worms. So when I went fishing, I didn't think about what I wanted. I thought about what fish wanted. Two men looked out from prison bars. One saw the mud, the other saw stars. Be more concerned with your character than with your reputation, for your character is what you are, while your reputation is merely what others think you are. When fate hands you lemons, make lemonade. Remember, happiness doesn't depend upon who you are or what you have. It depends solely upon what you think. You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in you. Our fatigue is often caused not by work, but by worry, frustration, and resentment. If you want to keep happiness, you have to share it. You'll never achieve real success unless you like what you're doing. The expression one wears on one's face is far more important than the clothes one wears on one's back. Inaction breeds doubt and fear. Action breeds confidence and courage. If you want to conquer fear, do not sit home and think about it. Go out and get busy. The successful man will profit from his mistakes and try again in a different way. Subscribe for more, like, and share.